No headline. Grow your YouTube channel with the help of this free guide. You'll need a Google account to watch, share, create, and comment on YouTube content. Once you're set up with and signed into your Google account, it's time to create a channel. Click your user icon in the upper right-hand corner. The first step is to create your new channel name. It can be whatever you want, and doesn't have to be the same name that you used to create your Google account, but we do recommend that it reflects the brand the YouTube channel will represent. After you enter the channel name, you might be asked to verify the account via text message or voice call. Once you've verified your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard for your channel. From there, you'll be taken to the channel customization page. Here's where you'll enter some basic information about your channel, like the language your videos are in, as well as a description that helps people discover your channel when they enter search terms that describe what videos they're looking for. These keywords can include what your channel is about, the problems it helps solve, the people and products featured, your industry, and more. In addition to the descriptive details you've added, there's another element of customization for a new YouTube channel, the visuals. Under the Branding tab, you'll be able to add your profile picture, banner image, and video watermark. Profile pictures help YouTube users identify the creator of a video when browsing video content. You'll see this image appear beneath YouTube videos on the play page, as shown below. The banner image is a large banner displayed at the top of your channel page, and it's a big opportunity to convey your brand to your viewers. YouTube recommends using an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 px and 6 MB or less. The video watermark is displayed at the bottom right of every video you post, see below. From here, you'll be able to specify certain details about how you want your content presented on your channel's page. You'll have the option to designate a video spotlight and organize your channel page with featured sections. To upload your first video to YouTube, click the Create button in the top right corner and follow the prompts. Once you start adding videos, you'll want to optimize them for search, which in turn helps users discover your video. But this goes beyond giving your videos accurate, clear, and concise titles, though that is important. Below, we describe some of the most important things to optimize on YouTube. That's often what determines whether or not the viewer will click to watch your video, so the title should not only be compelling but also clear and concise. This should be limited to 1,000 characters, and remember that your viewer came here to watch a video, not to read a lot of text. Plus, YouTube only displays the first 2 or 3 lines of text, which comes to about 100 characters, so front-load the description with the most important information. Using tags doesn't just let viewers know what your video is about, they also help YouTube understand your video's content and context. That way, YouTube can associate your video with similar videos, broadening your content's reach. Choosing a category is another way to group your video with similar content on YouTube, but that might not be as simple as it sounds. That's it, you've officially not only created a YouTube channel but now also know how to optimize its content for discovery.